Hello students, in this video we will see horizontal angle measurement by direct method. So here you can see P is the instrument station, our two objects Q and R, and you have to find out the angle QPR by direct method with the help of transit theodolite. So here we set our transit theodolite over our required station, that is station P, and perform all the temporary adjustment. So we already perform all the temporary adjustment here. So first here we set A window, that is vernier A at 0 degree and vernier B at 180 degree by using this clamping screw and slow motion screw. Okay. Now the instrument is ready to take measurement. So in direct method we will take two reading, one reading with face left and one reading with face right. So let us start. Now here you can see your instrument is fixed because both clamp are fixed, right? Now loose the lower clamp, turn your machine. So now by losing the lower clamp you can turn the theodolite, okay, without changing the reading. So first with face left, so take first left, transiting and swinging. Now here face left and observe our first object, that is point Q. So first looking through the target vein approximately, and so once the object is bisect approximately, fix the lower clamp, right? And then by using the slow motion screw, that is horizontal slow motion screw or vertical slow motion screw, bisect our object accurately. Now here Q is bisect. Okay. Now observe reading at window A and at window B. So here at A 0 degree and at B 180 degree. So enter into the observation table. So here this is the observation table for horizontal angle measurement by direct method, instrument station. So our instrument station is P, object Q, R, face left. Okay. Now here reading on vernier. So at A, when you bisect Q, the reading is 0 degree, 0 minute, 0 second at A, and at B 180 degree, 0 minute, 0 second. Okay. Then next step. Now here again your instrument is fixed. Now loose the lower clamp. Okay. Now your reading will be changed. Your theodolite towards your second object, that is object R, and bisect it accurately. Okay. So I fix this upper clamp again and bisect R accurately by using the slow motion screw. Now here the R is bisect. Now observe the reading at A and at B. So here the readings are at A and at B. Okay. Now here the readings are at A, when you bisect R, 22 degree, 20 minute, 20 second, and at B 202 degree, 20 minute 0 second. Okay, now this reading is main scale reading and vernier scale reading. So this will be the addition of main scale reading and vernier scale reading. Now your face left observation is complete, right? Now start with face right. So again set vernier A 0 degree and vernier B 180 degree again. Now here again we set 0 at A and 180 at B. Now again, now instrument is fixed. Okay, so loose the lower clamp. Then now this time face right, face right. Okay, so set face right, transiting and swinging. Okay, now the face is right because this vertical circle is on right side of the observer. Now this is the face right. So again observe the point Q with face right. So bisect it, fix the clamp and accurate bisection with the help of slow motion screw. With the help of slow motion screw. Okay, and now again observe the reading at A and at B. So it will be 0 degree and 180 degree. So again here instrument station P, our object Q, R. Now this time face right. Okay, so at A 0 degree, 0 minute, 0 second, and at B 180 degree, 0 minute, 0 second, because we already set this reading. Okay, and we lose the lower clamp, so no change in reading. Now lose the upper clamp, turn the telescope clockwise towards your second point and bisect it approximately, then fix the upper clamp and by using the slow motion screw bisect R accurately. Okay, then observe the reading at A and at B again. So here at A and at B. So the readings are, so at A 22 degree, 20 minute, 0 second, and at B 202 degree, 10 minute, 0 second. Okay, now here our direct method practical is complete. Okay, now the next part is calculation part. Now see here the calculation of horizontal angle measurement. So here angle on vernier. So how to find the angle on vernier? So the difference between these two reading, okay, see here 0 degree, okay, and at A 22 degree, 20 minute, 20 seconds. So the difference between these two reading, you will get the angle on vernier A. So here 22 degree, 20 minute, 20 second. Okay, now here the difference between these two reading, that will be your angle on vernier B. So 202 degree, 20 minute, 0 second minus 180 degree, you will get the answer. So the answer is 22 degree, 20 minute, 0 second. Same here for face right. So the answer for face right, that is angle on vernier for A 22 degree, 20 minute, 0 second, and for vernier B 22 degree, 10 minute, 0 second. Now here mean angle on vernier. So the angle on vernier A plus angle on vernier B divided by 2, you will get the mean angle of vernier. So here the mean angle is 22 degree, 20 minute, 10 second for face left, and for face right 22 degree, 15 minute, 0 second. Now mean angle of observation. So face left observation plus face right observation divided by 2, you will get mean angle of observation, and this is 22 degree, 17 minute, 35 second. So our horizontal angle QPR is 22 degree, 17 minute, 35 second. Thank you.